Here's all the pieces to put the vacuum together, and I'm going to start with the motor, putting the wires back on and connecting. So that's how it sits. I just hope that I have enough wire here now. Yeah, the brown one's tight. So I will have to loop it underneath. Okay. Yeah. There, it's in position now. Now, if it doesn't match up, that means that there's a wire caught somewhere. There. There, I can put all the screws back in. Well, that's one piece of many. That's the lock and unlock the canister. Wrote the wires along this. See, I just had enough room for the brown wire to loop around. And this one here, the white goes to here, and this other one coming from the wall plug goes to your switch, and then you loop it around in here. And I've snapped the top case here, screws in there, just a couple of them. Now I'm going to put the brush bar assembly on. See if I can turn it without, oh yeah, just like that. And then I have to put the guard on there, but it'll be later. Okay, bend the motor in. There, sitting in there now. I can attach this piece, and then I'll put the two, put these on. Hold everything down. That's what I got so far. Starting to look like a vacuum. And over this way is all the pieces. It was a bigger pile than this. Next I'm going to do the filters. Like that. And then you can just snap it into place. Like that. Now I'll put the filter together. Okay. This piece I'll put up in here. Now the canister. Lock it in place. Put the HEPA filter in. Piece. The leveler. Now we gotta put the belt on. Okay. Put the brush bar on. Yeah, that's in place. You got to put this piece on before this piece, because it clicks right in there on this side. And I'm sure the frayed end goes towards your carpet. And stretch it across like that. Now put this piece on. And it fits all the way around. Now we put the screws in. I'll sprinkle some rice on the